All right. Hey, we want to just talk real quick. I heard on the news somebody took their generator because the storms were blowing through. Power's out. Power's been out for days on the south side of Chicago right now. They took their generator downstairs and started it and then plugged it into the panel to power up the house. There were 12 people that all went to the hospital because of that. And what did they have, Rich?
Carbon monoxide poisoning.
You need one of these right here.
Yes.
It was 1,200 parts per million in the house when the fire department came in with their equipment, which means they opened the door, brought fresh air in with them, and it was still
Still 1,200 parts per million when after they came in.
correct. So get one of these. And
Yeah, you
don't
want
start,
a low sensing. Yes.
right. And don't start any
No,
fossil fuel
no gas
equipment.
fired. Yes. Don't fire up things in your house or within 5 feet of windows.
Yes, or doors.
Carbon
And
monoxide is heavier than air. Carbon monoxide is tasteless, colorless, odorless, and it displaces oxygen, and you'll just go to sleep and never wake up.
that's right. Or the garage for that matter. I see people, there's a guy 5 doors down from me. When his power goes out, he cracks the door up open on the garage door and has it sitting inside. Because that's good enough, right?
So,
It's still in the garage.
Billy,
So, all right. Just want to say no power equipment used inside the house.
correct.
Protect yourself. Don't get carbon monoxide poisoning.